Welcome to our facility, where we build dominance for both land and sea. Witness the scale of our amphibious assault vehicle production. The transition into the facility reveals the true scale of our operations. Look at this state-of-the-art production hall. Welcome to the core of innovation. Witness the precision, the technology, the unwavering commitment of our team, driving forward at the cutting edge of manufacturing.
From raw materials arriving by rail to finished vehicles undergoing rigorous testing in the harbor.
All right, bring her down slow. Easy now, watch the alignment. Hold it right there. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Pins in, we have alignment. All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the alignment pins. Looking good, hold it right there. Guide bolts are in, starting the impact wrenches.
The machine dynamically tilts and pivots, allowing the cutting tool to reach all angles of the complex geometry, leaving a smooth, precision finish.
Using the portable power unit, the technicians cycle the actuators back and forth to ensure smooth movement and check the connections for leaks.
In this high-volume process, hot forgings are rapidly machined. They are drilled and milled automatically in
All right, engage the drive. Keep it coming slow. Watch that last link. Make sure it seats properly. We're at 22. That's within spec. Stop pumping. Confirmed. Final check complete.
As the barrel rotates, a specialized broach is pulled through the bore, cutting the spiral rifling. High-pressure oil flushes the resulting chips away.
Okay, the breech block is seated.
Engaging the locking collar. Cycle the action for testing.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Looks aligned now. Ready for the pins.
Make sure that cable bundle is secured before we mount the sensor.
It's locked in. Connecting the harness now.
The stabilization systems are showing green across the board. Good.
Let's run the diagnostic on the fire control panel next.
Engaging rapid traverse. Locking on target now.
Stabilization active. Readings are green across the board. Test successful.
The massive tug pushes the hull onto the conveyor. Workers secure the wheel chocks, initiating the final assembly line.
How's that alignment looking for the manifold connection?
It's close. We need to adjust the angle slightly to clear that weld seam.
The driver's station requires meticulous attention to detail, ensuring every connection is secure before final paneling.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side clearance. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. All right, hold it right there. Looks aligned. Roger that.
Bringing up the impact wrench now.
Where the connections looking?
Straps are tight and buckled.
Plumbing and wiring are secure, ready for sign-off. Initiating system calibration sequence now.
Reading confirmed. System is online.
Ready for final torque sequence on the port side.
Confirmed. Applying final specification now.
Easy now, watch your hands. Guide it into position. Right there, hold it steady. We're clear to pin it.
Align the pins.
Ready on the hammer.
Hinge pins secure. Engaging hydraulics now. Stand clear.
Hold it steady. Lowering left side by 10 millimeters.
Confirmed. Watching the alignment pins now.
Power sequence initiated.
Modules responding. Telemetry looks good.
Check complete. Vehicle ready.
Pressure's climbing past 2,000. Starting to bleed now.
Copy that.
Inspecting the fittings. Wait, I've got a seep on this connection point.
That looks good. Torque that final bolt to spec. We have perfect alignment.
Antenna 1 is secure.
Copy that. Feeding the coax through now.
All right, easy now. Lower it 5 centimeters.
Verify the wiring harness routing here.
Looks good. No abrasion.
Panels aligned. We are clear to close the gate.
Out on the water, the AAV demonstrates high maneuverability. It spins rapidly in place, propelled by the vectored thrust of its water jets.
I'm seeing some minor corrosion starting here on the plating. Copy that.
The seals on the starboard intake look good though. Make sure the pressure warning is aligned correctly.
Yeah, I'm using the guide marks now.
The ballistic plating here meets the revised threat profile requirements.
Confirmed. Serial numbers match the manifest.
All right, we'll sign off on this one.
All right, bring it back 6 inches. Hold it right there. Set the brakes.
Keep coming straight. Watch your clearance on the left.
All right, hold it. Next vehicle, move up.
The automated machine polishes the prism with cerium oxide slurry. The technician then verifies the flatness.
Ensure there are no air bubbles when you roll the foil.
We're making good progress on this section.
Pull test complete, tension is good. Hydrostatic release is locked. Routing the cable now. Final check complete.
The submerged pressure test confirms the integrity of the welded seams. With no leaks detected, the tank is certified for quality approval.
Using high-speed mimic G welding, workers fabricate these slat armor cages.
Elevation gears clear. Range of motion nominal.
Initiating automated tracking sequence. Stand by for movement.
Holes aligned, start tightening the bolts. Applying torque now. Verified, 150 foot-pounds.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Simulating engine noise now. As you can hear, the intercom provides crystal clear audio even in high decibel environments.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the ASRS cranes move with incredible speed and precision, retrieving parts.
The SLAM algorithm is performing well on the aquatic obstacle avoidance.
Yes, the positional tracking confirms it is within tolerance. Drag coefficient is spiking right at the transom.
The wake stabilization fins aren't effective enough. We need more data from the flow sensors.